Hello my brothers, okay, so welcome to the new Stronghold Crusader video. Well, in this fight we have, okay, so, well, Frederick is in the snake place, well, because there is no red. Well, this Perelion changed like red place, so I use like snake, like to be like the Frederick in the snake place. So, like, Frederick and Wolf versus Hanno and Udwin. Okay, let's see this. I was like interested. Udwin was Wolf, but I don't know. This Udwin seems OP. Well, his castle is really nice, really good. OP strong castle with full of ballistas and catapults, mangonels. But look at this. This is really OP castle. But okay, let's try, like, maybe one was on, they will bug it, some will attack, maybe they both will attack in the same time. Something probably of that would happen, and yeah, but okay, let's try, like, Hanno and Udwin. Okay, so this is Frederick, as I said, in the snake place, so Emperor Frederick and Wolf. Let's try this fight. Is this like, maybe these two is good like together, strong together, or maybe these two is strongest, but this Hanno looks really OP too. He don't have like, he don't have any of this like catapults or ballistas, but yeah, his attacks are swordmen, so probably pikemen. Okay, so this will be really good fights. And the OP strong lords. So yeah. Yeah. Wouldn't have a lot of gold, so he will probably attack, no? Yeah, and he's full of pikements, and he have some spearments. But okay, let's see this. Okay, so he will. And some, yeah, horse archers. Okay, and Frederick will attack. And some assassins Udwin have. Okay, so Frederick will attack the Udwin. Okay, so but yeah, they will do nothing, bro. This defense is OP. Bro. Okay, Udwin is OP. The defense is okay. They will melt every single swordman, bro. These swordmen, yeah, they, bro. Okay, this Udwin is OP. Maybe like if I added Wolf and Frederick with Udwin, but his defense is OP. But let's see. Yeah, and the Hanno defense, bro, full of crossbowmen. Okay, this fight will be. Okay, this fight will be long. Okay, they will fight a lot. Yeah, this they will do not. They will not even reach. Oh, bro, and plus he's losing. Yeah. Okay, I guess they will not hit. Bro, just move your units, Wolf. Bro, the AI is so desperate. Still desperate. Yeah, they will not even hit the tower, bro. One hit to wall, bro. Okay, so Hanno will attack. Oh, this is a lot of horse archers. These horse archers can be problem. But yeah, Wolf defend the attack. Like horse archers, but yeah, yeah, he will defend these weapons. Like, yeah. Okay, yeah, okay. So this will be too much, I guess, for Wolf and Frederick. I ain't no way, bro. I don't know, but okay. Bro, this will be too much for. They're just OP, bro. This defense is OP, really strong defense. These crossbowmen are just. He don't have any fear or positive vector, nothing is there. Okay, some plus. Okay, and about Udwin, he don't have any anything about fear. Okay. Oh yeah, so yeah, the Udwin will Hanno. Udwin, yeah, Udwin. Oh yeah, this will be too much. Their defense is 10 of 10. Yeah. This will be problem for. Okay, so Frederick will do attack. But okay, Udwin have a pikeman, so his attack is not really strong. But Frederick will not reach the. Bro, nope. Okay, so another attack from Wolf. Let's see like the placements for the. Bro, what is this engineers doing? How is this like placements of the units? Lucky for them, he don't have any ballistas or to melt these units. But I don't know why is this AI is just placements of is insane. Wow, insane. Bro, wow, insane. Okay, what did Frederick do? Frederick did nothing, yeah. Yep, Frederick did nothing, of course. Aha, and Hanno will attack the wolf. Yeah, these horse archers are just. Bro, yeah, they can't even. Okay, these Hanno and Udwin are OP lords. Well, the 2-3 lords in this patch that are really good. AI that's really good. Others are just troll. Okay, they can be really good challenge. Okay, bear will be better than the Frederick, but I can't add the bear. That's a bad thing. I can't add the bear there. Because it's like extensions, it's different, like extensions things, and if I want to have bear, I need to remove this AI. So yeah, if I remove this AI, I don't have them, so yeah, I can't use them at all. And to swap like in the oldest AI, because they are not like in that extension in the game, in the UCP they are not. So that's a problem. Okay, so Udwin will do another attack. Yeah, his attack is not really strong, and he have too a lot of horse archers, but pikemen are good. Well, not strong, not bad, but okay, it's a middle unit. But yeah, okay, this Frederick will fall eventually. Oh, he have a lot of gold. Frederick have a lot of gold, but bro. But Frederick is struggling a lot, more than the wolf. Ooh, that's a lot of pikemen now, bro. Yeah, pikemen are good, don't cost a lot. Ooh, bro, this can be a problem for Frederick. Yup, they managed to break through. But he has swarmers to defend. Yeah, he defend the attack. Yep. Next attack can be a really problem for Frederick. But yeah, they can't kill them, bro. Their defenses are OP. And eventually, if they break through the walls, if Wolf managed to break, bro, he have OP swarmers to defend the attack. So, yeah, and it's same for Udwin. So, bro. Okay, maybe I will try Udwin and Wolf, Wolf and Frederick. With Udwin, or let's add the Wolf and Saladin with Udwin. Or maybe I will do the 3 lords with Udwin. I don't know. This Udwin is OP. Udwin is OP. Well, not strong attack, okay. Not bad attack, not OP attack, like to have tons of like swordmans. Okay, it's balance. Attack is balanced, but defense is OP. Bro, this Hanno is OP too. Look at this. Walls and the rows of crossbowmen in these towers are just, bro, look at this, bro, double units than like this two. Okay, someone is attacking. Aha, yeah, Hanno is attacking. And this amount of horse archers, OP units in the game, OP archers in the game. Bro, yeah, okay, let's slow down the game. Okay, but yeah, really bad horse usages. Eventually, maybe they will take someone there. No, okay. So wolf will attack. That's bad. If they wolf retreat units. If they break through, this will be over for wolf, and this is over. Retreat units. This is over for wolf. This is over for wolf. This is over for wolf, bro. Bro, you will do nothing to him. I will not want. Ooh, he defended it, bro. He defended it. Okay, but he will do nothing with these units. With these units, he will do absolutely nothing. Bro, this is OP. OP. Yeah, bro, they will not touch. They will not touch the walls. Bro, your units are dying. Wolf. Better to retreat them. Retreat your units. Don't. Bro, this AI is so desperate. Like so sad. So sad to watch. How is this AI working? Like this is so bad to watch. Like, and his units like. Bro, are you serious? Like wolf? Are you like serious, wolf? Wow, just bro, what am I, why am I watching like this? Okay, so Udwin will do another attack, so let's see this. Okay, this is a lot of empty space, Frederick. Yeah, this is real problem for him, this empty space there. This is a lot of empty space. I don't know why he have this. Tons of empty space. Okay, he's going another attack. That's bad. That's really bad for him now. He don't need to attack now. He really don't. He don't really need to do attack now, bro. Okay, but I guess he will kill some pikemen. That will be good, but his castle is empty. They will like enter in the climb. My units are not climbing. Like, bro, you lose all your units. Okay, this is over for. A
message from the snake.
I'm so. How is this AI so like useless? How is this AI so? Oh, bro. Okay, so this is over for Wolf. Okay, so yeah. This so. Ha, bro, the man, yeah, the real people, the Udwin, the broda, yeah, hello, broda, the Udwin. Good job. Yeah, the Frederick is just a classic AI. It's like I just really don't know how to make these matches like for them to not attack while being attacked. This is so like I. Okay, so this is over for Udwin, yeah. Okay, so I will try like okay, so I will try like I don't know, 2 lords was Udwin only. Or 3 lords, or other than like 4 lords was Hanno and Udwin. It would be more interesting, like to the Saladin and the Richard, some strong lords to the there. So, okay, let's try like this bro, these two is like, these two like can't even do, like, not like OP lords can't even. Yeah, this Frederick is just, I don't know about this. Who have knights? Like, the Udwin have knights. Like, what? Udwin have knights? Okay, so yeah, this is over for the wolf. I guess Hanno will attack because the game is lagged. Yeah, Hanno will attack. Okay, so Wolf will do any attack and he will only take pressure, and yeah, he can do nothing now. Well, my map is balanced. Okay, a lot of space, resources, but yeah, this is just, this new AI is just a lot stronger than the old AI. And the placement, wolf placement, total 0. Like, the placements are just. Did they like enter? Aha, they climbed the. Bro, they climbed. Lol, in the wolf tower, like. Ooh. Okay, yeah, so this is over for wolf. Bro, 0 economy. Wolf 0 economy, and this Hanno, Udwin, Hanno, yeah, Hanno have knights, okay. And yeah, he don't have 0 economy, only food, no iron, no stones. Bro, this defense, just OP defense, OP. Oh, this is sad to watch now. This is so sad now to watch. Okay, so he managed to get some stone back and trying to repair walls, but nope. These two are just OP, bro, just OP. Sorry, Wolf, but yeah, you're just old, bro. The new time has come, and the new AI is there. Oof.
A message.
Oh yeah, oh. Oh, bro, ow. Yeah. Well, he fighted well. Yeah, this is just, bro. Hanno, Udwin, don't attack Udwin, bro. It will be just not nice to see this. Tons of horse archers. Ah. Ooh. Yeah. Ow. Bro, the fire. Ow.
A message from the wolf.
Tell me now. I will not kneel before.
Eine Nachricht von
Hanno.
Yeah. Well, I thought this would happen. They look so OP. Like with the Hackerman units, they are just OP. But okay, let's try like 4 lords or 5 lords with these two. Okay, why not? Okay, my brothers. Thanks for watching this and see you next time.